Hello, Baba.
Hello Vidya. Let's have an example to consolidate our understanding of the concept of MRP and discount. MRP is marked up X% more on CP and 3 successive discounts of 66 2 by 3%, 37 1 by 2% and 18 3 by 4% are offered. Find the X% that will fetch an overall profit of 33 1 by 3%, and we have already studied the concepts of multiplying factor and overall multiplying factor in the previous videos. Let's use these concepts and see what happens. Also, we know either MF is equal to 1 minus discount percent or MF is equal to 1 plus increase percent, and since the product is marked plus X% on cost price, MF1 will be 1 plus X by 100. Further, 3 successive discounts are offered: 66 2 by 3%, 37 1 by 2% and 18 3 by 4%. So, MF2 will be 1 minus 66 2 by 3% equal to 1 minus 200 by 300, that is 1 by 3. Similarly, you can determine MF3 and MF4, Vidya.
Yes, Baba. Here, MF3 will be 1 minus 37 1 by 2%, which is equal to 1 minus 75 upon 200, that is 5 by 8. And MF4 will be 1 minus 18 3 by 4% or 1 minus 75 upon 400, that is 13 by 16.
Right.
Plus, we also know that overall profit is equal to 33 1 by 3% or OMF is equal to 1 plus 100 upon 300, that is 4 by 3.
Right, Vidya. And now, which formula do we apply, Vidya? Well, obviously, OMF is equal to MF1 into MF2 into MF3 into MF4, or MF1 into 1 by 3 into 5 by 8 into 13 by 16, which is equal to 4 by 3, or MF1 is equal to 512 by 65. Now, MF1 represents X% markup on cost price, such that after giving 3 successive discounts of given percentages, shopkeeper earns a profit of 33 1 by 3%. Now, MF1 is equal to 512 by 65, which can be written as 1 plus increase percentage or 1 plus X% as given.
So, markup percentage, that is X%, is equal to 512 upon 65 minus 1 into 100, which is equal to 447 upon 65 into 100, 687.7 or 687.7%. That means shopkeeper has to keep 687.7% of markup margin or cost price so as to earn 33 1 by 3% profit even after giving 3 successive discounts: 66 2 by 3%, 37 1 by 2% and 18 3 by 4%. Am I right, Baba?
Yes, Vidya. Keep practicing, keep learning.
Okay, thank you, Gyani Baba.